In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to connect my Bluetooth headphones to my TCL TV right here. So firstly, I did try the traditional way of going into settings and then clicking on Bluetooth in there and then trying to connect. Unfortunately, that didn't work for any of my headphones, and I have quite a few. So what I had to do instead, actually, I learned this the hard way, unfortunately. So what I had to do is that I had to get one of those dongles right here that is also paired with my headphones. So this one, actually, this specific headphones right here, this is the Steel series, by the way, they actually came with this specific dongle that you can connect to your PS5, your TV, or whatever. So basically what I did is that I just connected it to my TCL TV right here. As you can see, it should be connected right here. So you can see it through the USB here. And then once I connected it and then turned my headset on, it actually now works with my TV. So yeah, I had to do that. I had to just get the dongle connected, dongle that's also paired to the headphones, of course, and then connected to my TV. And that actually worked. So hopefully you will be able to do the same. And that is exactly how I connected my Bluetooth headphones to my TCL TV.